our second band?
These Whiskey Bent Valley boys, they all seem to like each other. I mentioned that Van Halen broke up again yesterday. Actually, they suspended their tour, but these guys would never let anything like that, like music and bad vibes, get between them because they're all buddies from way back.
South Oldham, right? South Oldham High School. All right, let's get everybody's name.
Leroy Jones,
Chance D. Wagner,
J.R. McFinnigan,
Mason Dixon.
Mason, good to see you up here again, and tell me how exciting it's been since you guys found out you were going to make this show.
Oh, you know, it's quite the surprise being a string band out of 11 electric bands. It's good to see that we're here, and it's good to know that people like the old-time music.
Well, and that's what I thought was really interesting, because our other group, as they said, kind of a little bit rock, a little bit country, and you guys definitely did not fit into the mold of the others, but you had great voter turnout. What do you think that's all about?
Well, we're really a kind of a unique gem. People can't find this traditional music out there, and we really bring it to the people.
Yeah, I would guess that when people hear you, they sort of stop and say, well, wait a minute, that's a little bit rare there, too. Now, where did you learn your love of this type of music, J.R.?
Well, I grew up with this man right here, Mason Dixon, and his family were really deep in the bluegrass, and we really trying to get back to our roots in our older days.
Well, Mason, your dad is in the audience, and he said he played for 20 years, so it definitely is a family tradition. Raise your hand there so we can get a shot of you. There's Dad, who got it all started in the family here. Tell us a little bit about what you're going to play here.
Well, this is a tune we put together last year when we had the bad flood here in Louisville, and it's pretty much just about the flood and how it affected us and everyone around us.
What's the name of it?
It's called The River's Up and I Can't Get Across.
The River's Up and I Can't Get Across. Audience, you ready? All right.